It's not working, so I have to go back. Now, from starting from the top, when when you want to create a new, first of all, and then after installing all the dependencies, all the installables, that is very important for you to run your React project, like the React DOM, the React itself, and all that. If you install them successfully, you all your projects. So say web project, and then this project directory is going to house. So I have to navigate to that general project. That is the project directory, and then create my React project. Of course, you know the command and all. When you are done with that, then you can go back to MNK. You are coming in again. Okay. So when you create that, if you will notice that this is the folder structure. What your folder structure will look like. Let me close this off. I don't need this these guys too at the moment. Um, okay. Okay. So this is what the structure is when you create a new React project. So this is the name of the React project I created. That was what I just used as the name. And then you have it created node modules, it created publics, it created SRC. Now, the node modules is where every React, whatever dependency that you'll be installing or you'll be adding to your project that you need to import will now have to be going inside the node modules. And then the public is where the HTML, of course, the HTML file and some public files that will be rendered will be storing. Now, the source is where you will be writing your React code, creating your React components, your React files, and all those. Now, when you create that project, you see that he created a, and then created. I was the one that created these pages, and they created one kind of files and all that. We are so interested in the index.js. The index.js, of course, is the particular place where everything is housed. So let me delete this thing here. The index.js is it's more like the connecting spot of every file that we're going to be going with, every file, every component we're going to be building here. This is where we're going to pack them together, arrange them in the way it is going to be displayed, and then render to the DOM. Okay, so take note of this particular thing I just said here now. Okay, so even if you have so many components of in files that you created, so to arrange them and to put them together the way it will be rendered, you do that in the index.js. Now you can create as many component files as you want and save them as .js. Now, um, I want to run a simple project now that also explains what we did the last time in class online. Okay, I think we did a project that does increment a particular value as you click on a button. So when you click on a button, that particular that particular button triggers a certain kind of logic that increments a number in the DOM. So, but I'm going to start it small and then move. Okay, so I am inside the source. I right here to create a new file, which of course all my files should be here because I want to create a particular component file that will display those things that I want to display. So I will call it, let me call it counter. So I call the counter and I'm saving it as counter. .js. Remember that whenever you want to create a component, make sure that the name of the component is recommended that the name of the component should be uh, the same name with the name of the file that is the component file. So here I call it counter. So it means I have to create a component, and to